Hello, this is Life and Stuffs. Okay, so by the title of the video, you obviously know what I'm doing. So I am doing fidget spinner opening, and I just got it today. First fidget spinner ever. Golden fidget spinner. Okay, so look at this, look at this, freaking golden fidget spinner, golden fidget spinner. I like this fidget spinner. It's very golden. So yeah, there's my fidget spinner. Fidget spinner versus phone. Ready? Like, people do fidget spinner versus neck. It doesn't even hurt. Like, they go like this. That doesn't hurt. That don't make no sense. Now, Kaden has not seen this yet, so... Ready? Here it is. It's like, it has 3, and it's golden colored. It's very gloomy. It's very, like, heavier than the normal ones. And it's my first fidget spinner. It's very balanced. It's very good at balancing, so... One second. I'm trying to do something. So here it is when it's spinning. It's a good fidget spinner. Spins for a long time. So that's all for this video. Please do hit the notification bell, subscribe, and like the video if you want more.